make 5 senses gifts for a boy, you take t-shirt for touch, perfume for smell, any chocolate for taste, wind chimes for hear, and a goggle for sight. For girls, you will need a bag for sight, any kind of cosmetic for touch, any perfume for smell, a chocolate for taste, and the same wind chime for hear. Now take same color of wrapping paper for every gift, pack them all, decorate it with ribbon. Now take a white sheet, cut 5 hearts like so, and then write 5 senses like smell, sight, touch, hear, and taste. Stick every tag on each gift accordingly. Now again cut a big heart in white sheet of paper and start writing I love you with all my senses. Do check out the description box for more 5 senses gift options. Don't forget to highlight senses. Decorate it as per your choice. I am making an outline, but you can do anything with this. It's completely up to your choice. Once you are done with this, take a big gift bag and stick I love you with all my senses. At last, insert all the gifts in the gift bag and your 5 cents gift is ready. If this video remains helpful for you, then surely give it a like and do consider subscribing my channel for more DIY videos every week.